Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class and the subject is intelligence test. The topic is series and in this one the last topic is wrong terms. Okay, so means we have to choose the wrong terms from the given all the terms are we can say given series. Okay, so there is a series of the some terms are there and from that one we have to choose the wrong one. Okay, or we can say the odd man out between the series, that one also we are saying. Okay, so this is a lecture and after this one we are going to see the some examples for the conceptual point of view what exactly we have to do in this series or of the wrong terms. So that's very simple. From this one we have to choose the wrong terms. Okay, we have to find out. So there is a series of, or we can say there is a sequence. Okay, so there is a one term something else which is disturbing that series or that sequence, or we can say which is not perfectly suitable for that particularly series, that we have to choose. Means there is a something operation, or we can say the ascending order, descending order, or we can say there is a prime numbers mention, or triangular numbers, square numbers, all that one. So for this one some mathematical operations linking, or we can say the mathematical operations are given in series. So from that all the basis we have to use our logic and we have to choose the wrong term. But for that one we have to study all the terms and we have to make it sure that what exactly the series or what exactly the logic of this series, and then we have to find out the imperfect, or we can say the incorrect of the top one terms which is disturbing the series. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, I hope you understand this one. So now through the examples we are going to see this one, and through the examples we are going to understand what exactly and how to solve this one. Okay, so there are the total 15 questions and the common directions, or we can say the instructions are find the wrong terms. Okay, so question number 1 is there 3, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13. Now in this one there is the two sequence. Okay, there is always be two additions. Okay, here also, but here not two, but here in between this there are the four and then again the two, or we can say all the are the prime numbers, but this is not a prime numbers. Okay, so but we can say plus 2 is a perfectly series, or we can say the logically added. So instead of the 8 there should be the 9. Okay, so all can be added with the plus 2. Okay, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so instead of the 8 9 should be there. So which is a wrong term? 8 is a wrong term. Okay, so option number 2 is a correctly. Okay, now question number 2. Now in this one 1, 4, 9, 15, 25, 36 and 49. Now in this one we can see all are the square number, but 15 is not a square number. Actually instead of the 15 there should be the 16, means 4 square. Okay, so this 15 is disturbing the series. Okay, so 15 is a odd term, so 15 is given in option number 4, like this one. So I hope from these two examples you are now something understand what exactly the logic and what how to choose this very very simple topics are. Okay, or even interesting also. Now question number 3, 64, 59, then 54, 50, 49 and 39. Now from here to here 5 is reduced, from here to here again 5 is reduced, then we can say the 5 minus. Okay, or minus 5. From here to here there should be the 5 minus, and from here to here minus 6. Okay, so here actually 4 is minus. Okay, so and after 44 to 49 here the 5 minus. Okay, so 5 minus 4 and minus 6 means from here to here minus 10, means of course here minus 5 if we are taking, and here also minus 5 taking. So here 49 is a perfectly suitable to make it continuous of this sequence or the series. So this 50 number is disturbing this series. Okay, and this is given in option number 2, so that's why option number 2 is a correctly. Okay, so question number 4. Now if you see all the denominator and the denominator is 14 to 15, 16, 17, then 18, means everywhere the plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and then plus 1. Okay, now here 7 to 8 plus 1, 8 to 11 here the plus 3, and then 11 to 13 here the plus 2, then here plus 2. Okay, so here plus 3 and plus 1. So this is the series actually, means we can say 7 to 11 is the plus 4. So if we distribute 2 and here 2 also, so 7 plus 2 means 9 should be there instead of the 8. Okay, and 9 plus 2 11, then this series can be continued. So this 8 number is disturbing this series. Okay, so 8 by 15 means this complete term is disturbing. So 8 by 15 means option number 1 is the correctly. Now question number 5. 401, 512, 623, 735, 845, 956. Now in this one, the hundred place, if you see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, this is ascending. Okay, so this is perfectly. Now here the tens place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is also perfectly. Later on 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, instead of the 4, here the 5, then again 5, and then 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be completely series logic. Okay, so means this 5 is disturbing. Okay, means this complete term is disturbing. Okay, so 734 should be there, but there is a 735. So 735 is given in option number 4. Now question number 6. 1 2 4 7 10 16 and 22. Now here the 1 2 4. So here if you see the plus 1, okay, here plus 2, plus 3. So now again here the plus 3, and here plus 6 is there, and then after this one the plus 6 is there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, this is a series actually, but here the due to the this 10 the disturbing. Okay, so here if you say plus 10 means 7 plus 10 11 should be there. After 11 plus 5 means 16. So plus 4 and plus 5 and then plus 6 means 11 should be perfectly matching with this series. So means this 10 number is disturbing the series. So, and 10 is given in option number 2. Now question number 7. 2 5 10 18 26 and 37. So 2 to 5 is a 3, 5 to 10 is a 5, then 8 to here, no, not this logic actually. Here 1 square plus 1. Okay, 1 square plus 1 2, then 2 square plus 1 is a 4, then 3 square plus 1 is a 10. Okay, then 4 square 16 plus 1 17. Okay, so this is a disturbing of this our series. And then 5 square 25 plus 1 26 correctly, then 6 square 36 plus 1 37 means 18 number is disturbing. Okay, so previously we are thinking about differently, but later on once this all the numbers are looking, then we understand this is a something square plus 1. So we can say the number square, this is suppose number, and then plus 1, this is our logic. Okay, so 18 number is a different, so option number 4 is a correct for this one. Then question number 8. 45, then 60, then 74, 90, 105, 120. So if you see all are the 5, then 0, again 0, 5 and 0, means we can say these are the multiples of the 15. So but 74 is not a multiples of the 15. So 74 is different, so option number 2 is a correct. Now question number 9. 2 then 22. So here actually addition of the 20, here addition of the 10, then addition of the 30, then addition of the 40, then addition of the 50. So if we make this one 2 to 32 means 30 is added. Okay, 20 plus 10 means 30 added. So instead of 22, if suppose here 11, then here plus 10, then here 20, then 30, 40, 50. So this series should be perfectly, but due to 22 disturbance of the series is make up, so 22 is a different one. So option number 4 is the correctly. Now question number 10. 96, then 48, 26, 12, 6 and 9. So this is a half of this one, this is half of this one, this 12 is not a half of this one. Okay, and 48 is half of this one, means every time this is the divided by 2. Okay, so 24 is divided means get is by the 48's half, means 24 should be there. Okay, and 12 is half of the 24, so 26 is the disturbing of this series, means option number 1 is a Correct. Now question number 11. 1, 8, 27, 84, 125, 216. Okay, so this is a cubical numbers, means 1 cube is a 1, 2 cube is a 8, 3 cube is a 27. So like this one, 4 and then 5 cube is a 125, and this 6 cube is a this 216. So instead of the 4 cube means 64, this 84 is comes. So this 84 means option number 2 is correct. Now question number 12. 3, 13, 23, 33, 53, and 73. Now in this one, all are the inconsequent of the 3 in units with a addition of the something numbers. But if you see, all are the prime numbers, okay, instead of this 33. So 33 is not a prime number, so 43 should be there. Okay, so 33 is disturbing of this sequence or the series, so option number 1 is maintaining the 33, so that's why option number 1 is the correct. Now question number 13. Now 9, 18, 36. Okay, so this is 9 multiplied by 2, 18. 18 multiplied by 2, 36. 32, 36 multiplied by 2, 72. And then 72 multiplied by 2, 144. So means 74 is disturbing of this series, and which is a wrong term. So that's why option number 4 is a correct. So now question number 14. 4, 9, 19, 38, 79, and 159. So if we do 4 multiply by 2 and then plus 1, means 4 multiply by 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is the 9, then 9 multiply by 2, 18 plus 1, 19, then 19 multiply by 2 is 38 plus 1, 39, but here the 38, and then 39 multiply by 2, 78 plus 1 means 79, then 79 multiplied by 2 means 158, plus 1 means 159. So this is complete series of this one multiplied by 2 plus 1. So this, instead of the 39, here 38 comes. Okay, so this term is different one. Okay, so 38 means option number 2 is a. Now question number 15. 85, then 79, then 76, 70, 68, and 61. So if we deduct 6 from 85, so means minus 6, here 79 comes. So from this one, minus 3 is there. Okay, after this one again minus 6, and from this one minus 4, and then from this one's minus 7. Okay, so if we complete this 6, then 3, and then 6 again, here should be the 3. So suppose here 3 means 70 minus 3, 67, and 67 minus this 6, so 61, it is matching. So means here 68 is a different, here 67 should be. Okay, so different one is the 68, and 68 is given in option number 3. Thank you.